Yes, children. Next application of electrochemical series is the series is representing the decreasing order of reducing power of the metal. So let me elaborate this for you to understand it much clearly. So here the next concept video of electrochemical series is to compare relative relative reactivities relative reactivities of metals. For this, so all of you should know this series. In the previous video, I have given the mnemonics. Accordingly, you have to by heart this series like this. So this is nothing but decreasing order of metallic character. Decreasing order of metallic character in accordance with electrochemical series. Since we are comparing the relative reactivities of metals, I am not including fluorine here. Now all of you know that all of you know that lithium has least lithium has least
100% charge.
value of standard reduction potential. Lithium has least value of standard reduction potential. Or I can say it is having a high value of standard oxidation potential, because lithium value, if you see the value of lithium, it is minus 3.04 volt. I am talking about SRP. So as I told you in the previous lecture, SOP is minus SRP, which is minus 3.0 sorry plus 3.04 volt, which means that children, lithium can undergo oxidation easily, which means it is having a high it is having a high reducing power. So that is the reason lithium is the most powerful reducing agent. Okay. Now you have understood why lithium is the most powerful reducing agent. and that is the reason the metal which is having the large negative SRP value is having a high tendency of reducing power, because any reducing agent can undergo oxidation easily. Therefore, conclusion of this is, greater the oxidation potential, I mean to say standard oxidation potential, or lesser reduction potential of a metal, more easily it loses electrons and greater is its reactivity. Now this is the reason you see that lithium is the highly reactive metal amongst the given metals in electrochemical series. So as a consequence of this statement, metal with greater oxidation potential can displace metals with lower oxidation potential from their salt solution. So for instance, oxidation potentials of the following metals are in the decreasing order, where magnesium has large oxidation potential. Magnesium has large standard oxidation potentials in this series, and silver has least standard oxidation potential, which means magnesium can displace metal salt of zinc to zinc metal, and it can undergo oxidation easily, whereas the reverse cannot happen. What is the meaning of this? A metal with large standard oxidation potentials on its left side, this is left side, this is right side. So left side metal can displace the metal salt to metal, whereas the reverse cannot happen. So this is one of the most amazing important fact of electrochemical series, children. Okay, fine. Thank you.